excited. Okay, but yo, this is so smooth. Okay, motion blur. I'm gonna turn that off actually. Okay, I mean, all right. Let's just start. I think this is fine. It has like the guy who voiced, I can't remember his name, but the guy who voiced Legoshi in Beastars. That's like the main character, I think, which is really cool. I really like that guy. Interesting. Maybe I should turn the lights off for this. Should I go do that? No, I'll leave that for the full game. Controller keeps disconnecting because I can't connect it with Bluetooth for some reason. It doesn't work, so it just keeps. The cable just is fucking whack. Alright. This is some nice. Is this like. This is like an actual video, right? Yeah. Okay. Audio change. Went to the left side. What is this? This is weird. Okay. This is taking so long. What is this? Guys, what are we doing? What's... I'm so confused. Is this the whole thing? Is this what the... Fuck, I hope not. I thought it was gonna... Oh. Am I actually gonna get to play? Like, at all in here? Or is it just gonna be this? Oh. Oh, okay. Alright. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yo. It's cool as hell. Oh my god. Can you jump? No, of course I can't. Oh. I can zoom in a little bit. Another cutscene, right? Oh, fuck. Shit. Is this the developer guy? I can't remember his face. Like, I know about this game through his videos. Okay, hi.
My name is Connor. I'm a video game developer.
It is him. Okay.
Since around the start of 2022, it'd be my sophomore year of college, I have been developing a video game called Project Songbird. What you're about to play today, while yes, is a demo for Project Songbird, it's not a demo in the traditional sense. While there is content from the final release of the game in this teaser, a vast majority of what you're about to play is original content created for the sole purpose of this demo.
Ooh.
And I really hope that it gives you an idea of what I want this game to be.
I'm sorry, I'm really tired. Are you okay, dude? Dude, it's fine.
Really hope that you enjoy.
Oh.
Okay, that's him.
Okay. Oh. I can crouch. Hell yeah. Okay, can I like... Oh. Oh, that's really cool. Okay, I can't seem to figure out a way to run. Or like sprint. I don't know. Okay. Alright. I'm in a hallway now. Can you open? Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god. Oh, fuck. Can I pick this up? Ah, yes! Yes! Okay. Take. Aha! So it is good that I discovered that early. Okay. Can I not? What was that? I saw like something in the corner. Oh, so like, okay. If I turn and then I press the like, okay, no, it doesn't work. It worked earlier. Okay. Never mind. Never mind, guys. What's this? What is this? Oh.
This.
Audio
This
log.
is what I'm most afraid of.
Oh.
You need to know how little control they truly have.
Who's they?
How little control I have. What did you do to their face?
Me? I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. Where's the door? Is it like back where I came from? Or there's some red over there, is that it? Is this it? Oh! Oh! Oh my god, what is that? What is this? Key. Whoa. Oh, is that? That's not an axe, that's an arm. Not an arm. Is that like my weapon? Or is that the door I have to go through? But I think I have to go through that gate to get there. So I do need a key. Just want to find this key, man. Where am I supposed to go? Where do... Oh, what is this? Okay. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. I can't even focus on what they're saying. It's just fucking terrifying. Jesus Christ. What was that? Oh. No. Please don't turn off. Please don't turn off. Please don't turn off. Oh. Yes. Oh. 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 Okay. Fuck! You're kidding me? You're fucking kidding me. I'm genuinely... Oh my god. Into the speed evil. Fuck, I hate that so much. I hate that so much. Where am I supposed to go? Oh? Oh. Oh. Oh no. Oh fuck. Oh! Oh! Can I pick that? Oh, what is that? Oh no, that's bone. I thought that was an axe. A bullet. Okay, is that it? Is that the only thing I can pick up? Whose stuff is this? I'm gonna go back outside. I'm feeling very claustrophobic in here. Let me try going back. Maybe there's a path that I like didn't take somewhere. Can I use that bullet as a key for something maybe? Is that an option? Oh! Oh, I see. I have to find all the pictures. Ooh, why is the music so intense here? What am I about to encounter? The voices aren't starting anymore here. That's nice. Maybe it is just two, but I feel like it needs to be, like, there's this one in the middle, and then there has to be, like... Okay, yeah, it's 2 out of 3. Ah, okay. Oh! Oh! The voices are telling me where to find the pictures. Okay, hold on. So it's gotta be, like, here somewhere, right? Oh my god. I feel like it's, like, on this thing over here. Yes! Found it. Okay. And now this opens, right? Yes. Oh my god, okay. Oh my god. Oh, what is that? Is that the end of the demo? Is that it? Oh, what is this? Alright. I guess I'll just, like, try walking. I'm confused. Okay, I think I'm not smart enough for this, especially not at midnight. So I'm gonna have to look it up. I'm sorry, guys. Alright, guys, well, I looked it up. I think the game glitched. This is not what was supposed to happen. So I think I'm going to start it and just cut to the right part. Okay, let's see now. Let's see if this works properly now. Let's hope. Let's hope. Yes! Yes, okay. Fuck. This is terrifying. Oh my god, what is this? Have we seen that painting before? Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Try not to focus on the terrifying setting that I'm in right now. There's... What is that on the floor? Ceramic? Someone drop a pot? Like, ooh. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Oh my god. Why do I do this to myself? Every time I play a horror game, I fucking hate myself for it. I hate it so much. I see. Oh. Oh, gross. What is that? Gross. Is that a mannequin? Am I supposed to, like, give it its... Oh, fuck, there's two. Shit, fuck, that's terrifying. Oh. That's disgusting. So many locks, so many keys to find. There's so many locks everywhere. Ew! Oh my god, is that blood? It looks too, like, it looks too clear. Like, it looks see-through. Oof. Fuck, this is really well made. This looks amazing. What is this? Oh. Oh! Oh. Okay. Well, that was pretty easy. I feel like it was way too easy, wasn't it? Yep. Oh. I need a second to process this. Ugh! Fuck. I'm gonna be honest, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish this. I don't know why I decided to do this at fucking midnight. Oh my god. And that's the painting. That's the same painting, isn't it? No, it's not. It's... creepier. Is this where it came from? Fuck. Well, while I do this, I'm gonna try to distract myself a little bit. What I wanted to talk about was a bit I saw the other day. I just got a TikTok. Of this person, just making a funny video about how, oh, I'm back. About how they had to play, like, the scariest Resident Evil game with max brightness because, and they were still fucking terrified of it. It's just like a silly TikTok, nothing really too deep about it. There were... Oh. Oh my god. I really don't want to go there to the mannequins. I don't... Oh. That's... What? That's just a shadow. Okay. Can I just get out of here? I found the painting. I feel like I can just... Where am I? Oh, fuck. What is this? Is this a basement? Shit. Okay, as I was saying. Part 3. Oh. Yes! Can I not? Okay. Okay, so I have to do this or this. I'm gonna need to pause for a second and talk about what I want to talk about, just to kind of reset my brain a little bit. I saw this video of this person being like, oh, I had to play Resident Evil 9 at like max brightness because it was fucking terrifying and I was still really scared. And they also have like some vision problems, so that played a part in like the max brightness thing. And there were people in the comments being like, why even play a horror game if you're gonna be this scared? That is such a stupid statement, because what other reason is there to play horror games? Like, sure, there's like the artistry behind them and stuff. Like, this game is fucking incredibly made. But the reason people play horror games, read horror books, watch horror movies is to be scared. Like, that's the point. of the thing. So Resident Evil 9 obviously very much succeeds in that. If a lot of people have to keep it at like max brightness and still be scared with it at max brightness. So yeah. Sorry, the controller keeps fucking disconnecting. I hate it. Okay. Let's... Okay, so this or this. Great! That's awesome. Was it not just here? Oh, this is like the main character's music stuff, huh? Whoa. That's why you don't smoke, kids. Because the ashes from your smoking can become glitches from the Spider-Verse. Okay, I think it's coming from the left, so I'm gonna avoid that. Guess I can't avoid it. Honestly, for how good this game is, I cannot give a guarantee that I'm gonna actually play the whole thing. This is already too much for me, if I'm being completely honest. Okay. What's that? What was that sound? Is that me making that sound? Can I reach in here? And it's gone. Okay, so I guess I can't reach. Oh. It's still there? Can you go away, dude? Jesus Christ. I don't know how long I'm gonna stay here. I don't want to go out there. I really don't. Oh, fuck! Go back in. Shit. Oh, fuck. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Okay. I think I get the idea of what this game is. And I think I'm done. I think I cannot handle this. You know what's a game that fucking terrified me? Security Breach. So I actually genuinely cannot handle this. I thought I was gonna be able to enjoy this game, but I'm not. This is I know I went on like that whole rant about like why would you play a horror game if it doesn't scare you, but this is too much for me. So sorry, but I think I'm gonna go back to playing Tomb Raider. I'm gonna leave it here. If anybody wants me to play the actual game, buy it for me and I'll think about it. I'm just kidding. But like, for a game that I'm probably not gonna play, I'm not gonna spend money on it as of right now. I just don't have the funds for that. But, other than me shitting my pants the whole time, it was really good. Like, the graphics are amazing, the sound design is incredible. The settings also, like, fucking. I mean, I was terrified, so from a horror game perspective, I feel like it's great. Alright. Well, please subscribe if you want to. I don't post very often, but I had school, so I'm hoping that will change soon. Because I'm on my last year. I'm gonna do exams soon, and then I'm done forever. I don't have to go to school anymore. Oh my god. Okay. Anyways, please subscribe. Leave a comment if you want. I'm gonna go to sleep soon, I think. Alright. Bye.